Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be talking about how to use the promote feature on Mercari and how to boost your listing basically on Mercari. If you guys haven't watched my other videos on how to sell on Mercari, you guys should check them out. I have a whole playlist. I'll probably link it up here. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you guys could be notified whenever I upload a new video and so you guys don't miss out. So make sure to comment any questions that you guys might have. I know Mercari is kind of confusing sometimes, and if I could answer your question, I'll let you guys know in the comments. And yeah, let's get right to the video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to record on my phone. Like always, as you guys know in my videos, I like to show you guys visually. So the first thing that you guys want to do is go to Mercari and go to your listings. So you would just go to listings, and then you would go to your listings and you guys could see what you guys are selling. I'm gonna put a video right here somewhere so you guys could see what I'm talking about. So first thing that I'm gonna talk about is the promote feature. So you guys can promote any of your listings to other buyers. So what they do is basically they advertise the listing for you guys. All you have to do is promote. So it says promote to everyone. So one of the things that I do is I promote my items, my listings, and the way that you do that is you would click promote right there on the listing, and so you click promote, and then this pop-up will pop up and it says promote your item. So it says promote to everyone, you reduce the price, your item moves up in search results and will notify the people who liked your item. So basically what I do is I always price the item high and then I promote to other people by using the promote feature. So I would hit promote and then it says new price 46, so it would be 5% than my lowest historical price. So they would just lower the price and then they would show other people, like probably on a Facebook ad or something like that. I don't know how they would promote it, to be honest with you guys, but I usually just promote it. They promote it for me by me clicking promote, and it says we tell people who liked your item moves up in search results. So I'm pretty sure that's how they do it, but I have seen like ads for Mercari on stuff that I have browsed. I'm pretty sure they do like Facebook ads too, but that's usually what I do. So I would click promote it and then it would promote it, and that is one of the things that you guys have to do to promote your listing so it could sell. That's usually what I do, and sometimes I get a sale right away. Sometimes I use the promote feature. I promote like 10 items and sometimes 3 of those items sell, or sometimes none of the items sell. It just depends. I would recommend that you guys use the promote feature because it really does bump up your listing if you guys are having trouble selling it. Like if I had trouble selling these shoes, I would promote them and I would eventually get a sale out of it. And another thing that I do is when I click promote, I offer to likers. So anybody that has liked my listing, I like to offer them an offer. I send them an offer, 10%. That's what I have been doing, and I have been getting orders like almost every other day. I have been getting more orders, to be honest with you guys. If I don't offer my likers an offer, I probably wouldn't even get orders that much right now. I'm glad they added this feature. So it says offer to likers, you reduce the price for likers only. We'll send the price offer to the people who liked your item. So basically anybody that liked your item, I would send an offer to them, and then if they like my offer, I would get a sale. They would be like, okay, I want it. They could just click okay if they want to buy the item, and they would just check out through Mercari and I would get an order. And I think it's very convenient for people that like my item, because I notice a lot of people do like my items and I do send them an offer and I get a sale, I get an order out of it. So it's really good. You guys should really try using these 2 things so you guys could really get sales. I swear, like I wouldn't get orders without these 2 things if I hadn't known about them. So I would offer to likers like this. I would put offer to likers and then I would drop the price. I would put like 29, something like that. I would drop the price. So I would offer my offer. So my offer would be $29, and it shows you how much it would be. So the selling fee, they take away $2.90. They have a processing fee $1.14. So I would earn $24 from my listing, $24.96 if my listing sold. So basically they send them like a message, and it says this buyer offered you like the dress for this much, and it says accept or counter offer. So I would just send the offer and we could negotiate, or if she wants it for less, sometimes I give it to them for less because I want my selling to list. Sometimes it's okay to take an L or take another discount. It's okay to give discounts, like don't worry guys, you guys could always get more inventory and get higher profit off of other things. So it's okay to give discounts, but yeah, you win some, you lose some. But that is what I do. So it says right here, transaction will be processed when accepted by the buyer. So obviously the sale will go through after the buyer checks out. So usually I send offers to people and they accept it. So like right now I'm gonna send this offer and she will probably accept it. As you guys could see, it was only sent to one liker. So it's better to have a lot of people like your stuff. So I have other listings that have more likes, so it's better to send offers to your listings that have likes. Even if they only have one like, it's fine to send an offer. I really recommend it to give those discounts. Obviously don't lowball yourself, but you could still give discounts. I think it's really good that they have this feature on Mercari. So that is what I usually do to get sales, and it has been working for me lately. I usually post a listing, and as soon as it gets a like, I will send an offer to the liker or likers, and one of them will buy it, or they'll just message me like, hey, can I get it for this much instead? And then I tell them like, yeah, but you would have to pay for shipping, if they have to pay for shipping. And usually they accept the offer because I don't know, sometimes people just want to bargain. I know that Mercari is online, it's not like in person, so I'm pretty sure people like talking to the seller. They like talking to the seller, and basically they like bargaining with me. If you guys have questions, let me know. That's all I gotta say. I'll get back to you guys. I get back to you guys most of the time. And again, if you guys need any more help, like just let me know in the comments. And if you guys need help with Mercari more, just watch my other videos on my Mercari tutorials, or just look up Mercari Isabel C. And most of the stuff that you guys probably need help with is in my videos. So yeah, I hope I'm a good tool. I hope I'm a good tool. That sounds so bad, but I hope I'm a good tool for you guys. And yeah, so again, I hope this video helps somebody. Like if it does help, you guys could DM me on Instagram, or you guys could come back to comment on this video that I helped you guys. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Sorry that it fits so short, but I'll keep making more Mercari tutorials because I know people need help. I know you guys need help. And yeah, so like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.